The existing Napoleon Street Bridge is a railroad bridge that spans Napoleon Street within the city of San Francisco and is located at milepost 2.28 of the Caltrain corridor. Highway I-280 viaducts and off-ramps span the bridge. The Napoleon Street Bridge was constructed in 1947, and recent inspection rates the bridge is in poor condition. The existing bridge comprises 5 spans. The superstructure center span is 52.5 foot long and consists of 8 steel plate girders with transverse timber decking. The exterior span superstructures are comprised of 4 precast girders per span. The replacement bridge will provide the same 52.5 foot long center span, with a superstructure that includes 8 precast concrete single-cell box girders, supported on existing retrofitted concrete piers. The exterior spans will be eliminated and replaced with lightweight cellular concrete embankment fill supporting the railroad. Tracks will be reconstructed with new rail, concrete ties, and ballast. The main constraints during construction include Highway I-280 viaduct overhead clearance in proximity to viaduct columns, access to an adjacent parking facility owned by the San Francisco Public Works Department, an existing San Francisco Public Utilities Commission triple-celled concrete box culvert sewer below Napoleon Street, under Napoleon Street roadway crossing under the bridge center span. Caltrain right-of-way boundaries provide limited available areas for staging construction. Existing utilities including 2 existing fiber optic lines with Caltrain right-of-way. Potential conflicts with the Caltrain overhead catenary system, OCS, that is planned for construction around the same time as the bridge. Stage 1 includes the installation of micropiles and construction of a cast-in-place concrete cap to retrofit the existing concrete piers. During Stage 2, lightweight cellular concrete fill is constructed under the existing exterior girder spans. Fill construction includes excavation of existing ground, placement precast concrete retaining wall blocks, and pouring cellular concrete fill within several inches of the existing girder soffit. During this stage, concrete wing walls between Pier 4 and Pier 5 will be constructed. Stage 3 begins with construction of a crane supporting structure to protect the box culvert. During a double-track weekend closure, the existing center span superstructure is removed and steel-encased precast concrete riser blocks are installed at the existing piers that support the new superstructure. 8 precast concrete girders are erected with a crawler crane. A layer of asphalt concrete is constructed on the girders to support railroad tracks. Stage 4 will start with construction of crane pads at the exterior spans. During a single-track weekend closure, the existing north exterior span superstructure is removed and backfill installed on the cellular concrete to raise the embankment to the level of the track bed. New track bed structure is constructed on the backfill. During another single-track weekend closure, the same construction procedure will be performed at the south exterior spans to complete the bridge replacement. After completion of bridge construction, 2 single-track weekend closures will be utilized to perform the track reconstruction of Main Track 1 and Main Track 2.